Hi guys, my name is Kanoe and I'm 5 years old. We're gonna be learning to make mug mac and cheese. So now we pour 1/3 of a cup of macaroni. And now we pour it into our mug. Now we need 1/3 cup of water and we pour it into here. Now we microwave for 2 minutes. So we needed to set it up for 200. Hot pants! Whoa, I'm scared. Now we give it a good stir. I can feel the burn coming from it. So now we cook for another 2 minutes. We need 1/3 cup of milk. Now we put the milk back. Slippery, careful. We need 1 cup of cheese. So now we stir it up. We need 1 hot pad. So now we pour the milk. Now we add in cheese. And then give it a good stir. Give it a good stir now. Now we put it in. Now we put it in for 2 more minutes. So first let's open it. Now we put the cup in. Gentle. Let's see if we need this microwave door open. Now we need a pinch of salt. Stir it well and let it sit to cool. Clean up, pick up, put away. Clean up, put away. Try not to. Carry it to the sink. It got a big blob of cheese. So now we're gonna microwave it again. Smells good. I just want to eat it. How does it look, guys? It looks good, but I have to wait until it cools down. Bye. For creamy results, use whole milk. For best results, shred your own cheese. Thanks for watching my video on mug mac and cheese. Bye!